Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most popular productivity hacks out there, the Pomodoro Technique. Now, if you've ever felt like your to-do list is never-ending, or you just can't stay focused for more than a few minutes, this is for you. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this simple technique to boost your focus, beat procrastination, and get more done in less time. Let's jump in. What is the Pomodoro Technique? The Pomodoro Technique is a time management method created by Francesco Cirillo in the 1980s. It's named after those cute little tomato-shaped kitchen timers. The idea is simple. You work for 25 minutes straight, take a 5-minute break, and repeat. After 4 rounds, you reward yourself with a longer break, like 15 to 30 minutes. Sounds easy, right? That's because it is. But don't let its simplicity fool you. This method is a game changer. Now, let's see how to use the Pomodoro Technique. Step 1. Pick one task. Choose a task you want to work on. It could be writing a report, studying, or brainstorming ideas. Whatever it is, focus on one thing. No multitasking. That's a thing of the past. Step 2. Set your timer. Set a timer for 25 minutes. You can use your phone, a kitchen timer, or even a Pomodoro app. Some popular ones are Focus Keeper, Forest, or Toggle. If you want to keep it classic, go ahead and use that kitchen timer. Just hearing it tick can make you feel like you are racing against the clock. Step 3. Work without distractions. Now, here's the crucial part. During those 25 minutes, eliminate all distractions. Turn off notifications, close your unnecessary tabs, and if you need to, let people know you are in focus mode. It's just 25 minutes. Step 4. Take a short break. When the timer rings, stop working. Yes, even if you are in the zone. Take a 5-minute break. Stretch, grab a coffee, scroll TikTok if you want, but keep it short. This is your brain's way of recharging. Step 5. Repeat and reward. After 4 Pomodoro, give yourself a longer break, 15 to 30 minutes. This is when you can go for a walk, have a snack, or just relax. You've earned it. Pomodoro Technique. Why it works. Here's why this technique is so powerful. It breaks your tasks into manageable chunks. It trains your brain to focus for short bursts of time, which is much easier than trying to slog through hours of work. It prevents burnout by building in regular breaks. And honestly, it just feels good to check things off in small intervals, instant gratification. Pro tips to get the most out of Pomodoro Technique. Now that you know how to do it, let me hit you with some quick tips to make it even better. Number 1. Keep a distraction list. If random thoughts pop into your head while you're working, jot them down so you can deal with them later. Number 2. Customize your time blocks. If 25 minutes doesn't work for you, try 30 or even 45 minutes. Just make sure you take breaks. Number 3. Plan your Pomodoros in advance. Before you start, list out your tasks for the day and decide how many Pomodoros each will take. This helps you stay organized and focused. So, there you have it, the Pomodoro Technique in a nutshell. It's simple, effective, and honestly, kinda fun. Whether you're tackling a massive project or just trying to stay on top of your daily to-dos, this method can make all the difference. Why not give it a try today? Let me know in the comments what task you are going to crush with this technique. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more productivity tips, and share this with someone who needs this in their life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay productive.